But what does this bill mean for Pakistan?
So 26th Amendment Act is very critical. In a way, yes and no, critical yes and no also. Yes, in the no, I would say, because this is something which we have seen with the multiple rulers, army heads have done in Pakistan, have the constitution. We have seen it in the past. But talking about this specific amendment, this has been, there are multiple parts of this amendment, but if we have to like kind of tell you in short, then two critical implications obviously it has. That one is that reduces the power of the Supreme Court. So
Okay.
judiciary's functioning definitely has been targeted here. The appointment of the Supreme Court, the Chief Justice of Pakistan, that appointment now, the party which will have the majority in the Legislative Assembly will have an upper hand, because the selection will be done by the Parliamentary Committee and amongst the three top senior judges. And it's not like before the senior most becomes the Chief Justice. Apart from that, there is also bench which has been established in the Supreme Court. So the judiciary's powers definitely have been
Has
curtailed,
diminished. Okay.
because what happened. I mean, there has been this. The anti feeling for the judiciary, I would say, in all the political parties, because if you see PPP, for example, their elected prime minister was sentenced to death by the judiciary, and then 30 years later the same judiciary said that Bhutto's trial was not a fair trial.
Okay.
And then if you come to PMLN, Nawaz Sharif went behind bars when judiciary took that call. So, and then recent years, what was seen in Pakistan, that there was judiciary was really asserting itself with respect to Imran Khan. So that was also something which did not, I think, go well there with the military headquarters and the political parties also, which are more or less totally subservient to the military at the moment. It's always been there. If you have to be in power, you be subservient to the military. You are more or less like a puppet for the army chief,
The
I
army,
would say.
yes.
I mean, I would not like to use that word, but that's the reality.
That's the
in
reality,
Pakistan.
true.
So you enjoy the power till you have the blessings of the military. That's been the case with Imran Khan, and now hopefully, if Shehbaz Sharif continues to stay in the good books, he will finish his tenure. Otherwise, we will see what happens here.